Going to discuss on classification of organic compounds. Organic compounds are the compounds of carbon. Carbon has unique property. The atomic number of carbon is 6, where there are 4 valence electrons in carbon atom. It can readily combine with 4 other atoms of elements. There are millions of compounds of carbon. Carbon compounds are innumerable. A large number of organic compounds are known to us and they are widely used in our daily life. Carbon readily combines with hydrogen. The other elements with which carbon combine are oxygen, nitrogen, halogens like chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine, sulfur, magnesium. Apart from hydrogen, these elements can also combine with the carbon atom and forms carbon compounds are known as organic compounds. Readily, hydrogen combines with carbon and the compounds that are formed with carbon and hydrogen are known as hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are the organic compounds which contain only hydrogen. You will find only carbon and hydrogen. No other elements are found in hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are compounds which contain carbon and hydrogen only. Then there are compounds with other than hydrogen atoms and carbon. So carbon, as I said, combines with oxygen, nitrogen, halogens. So compounds of carbon with heteroatoms are also there. So carbon, in addition to hydrogen, combine with any one of these elements and forms compounds called as heterocompounds. So there are compounds with heteroatoms. They are called as heteroorganic compounds or heterocyclic compounds if they are cyclic in nature. Then I am talking about hydrocarbons, which are nothing but compounds of carbon and hydrogen only. Compounds of carbon and hydrogen only are called as hydrocarbons. Now, based on structure, bonding and chemical behavior, hydrocarbons are categorized into 2 main things. One is aliphatic compounds and aromatic compounds. So this classification of hydrocarbons is based on their structure, bonding and chemical behavior. Understand? Now hydrocarbons, namely compounds of carbon and hydrogen, are categorized into 2 types: aliphatic compounds and aromatic compounds. Aliphatic compounds contains open chain carbon framework. Okay, they are also called as acyclic compounds. So aliphatic compounds are nothing but compounds which contain open chain hydrocarbons. So you will find only carbon hydrogens in the entire compound or in the molecule, and it is just a open chain hydrocarbon. We call this as acyclic compound, and these are straight chain compounds, and you don't find, sometimes you will find branched chains of carbons. So they are straight chain compounds, they are branched chain compounds, and you will also find sometimes without any multiple bonds. So aliphatic compounds are again 2 types. One is, as I just said, open chain hydrocarbons. Open chain hydrocarbons are also called as acyclic compounds. These are straight chain compounds. They may contain branched chain carbons. There may be with or without multiple bonds. On the other hand, aliphatic compounds, second type, we have cycloalkanes or alicyclic compounds. Alicyclic compounds. Let us see what are cycloalkanes. As the name indicates, cycloalkane